Hey, it's Tom Zeeb, the Rapid Cash Generator. I'm here in Chicago at the Rapid Cash Generator Masterclass, all about wholesaling, how we can find deals, make deals, and get paid. And gang, we're about 3/4 of the way through the day. What do you think so far?
Awesome.
Woo! All right. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you've learned a thing or two. Oh, yes, look at that. I think we've got a pretty good mix there. And what's been the number one thing? Who wants to share? What's that? How to get paid. That's a good thing. What else you got?
Flinching.
Flinching. Oh, the negotiation skills. Contracts. Like contracts. Good. What else we got?
Finding deals.
Finding deals. Kind of a critical, important point as well, too. Did I hold anything back today?
No.
No. You've learned a ton from simply a one-day class, right?
Yes.
Very good. So, what are you going to do now? Yeah, go forth and find deals and make it happen. Absolutely. So, we'll give everyone away. Bye-bye. Say bye. Hey.